Introducing the 2021 Skoda Kodiaq Sportline 2.0 TDI, 150 bhp DSG 7-seater in sleek black. This masterpiece is equipped with top-of-the-line features to elevate your driving experience. From the comfort of the heated seats and dual climate control, to the safety of collision avoidance, braking and side airbags, this vehicle has it all. With a full service history and multi-point health and safety check, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a premium SUV. Visit our website at spiritskoda.ie or call us today to learn more about how you can drive home in this luxurious Skoda Kodiaq Sportline.